Welcome to YOUCANIC. We have a 2011 Honda Fit here, and on this Honda Fit we're going to go where you would check the oil. So to check the engine oil is right here, this yellow or this orange dipstick. You're going to pull it out. So ideally you clean it off and then put it back in. On this one it doesn't have anything saying full or low, but there's two circles here. You want the oil to be in between there, you know, close to the top or at least to the bottom, but in the middle here, and that is a good operating range. We don't want to overfill it and have it above here, and we certainly don't want it too low where we can cause engine damage on the other side. You can cause engine damage if it's too high also. So then we would put it back in, pull it back out, and then check it and see where we're at. And we're at the perfect height. It's maybe a little high, but it also hasn't been run through the motor, so all the oil has drained to the bottom. Now if you check it and you're on the low side, if you need to add engine coolant, or no, if you check your oil and you're on the low side, and if you need to add oil, you're going to go right here to the top of the engine right here, and this tells you where, this is where you would put the oil. And this oil is 0W20, and so you would just twist this cap off to the left, counterclockwise, and use some engine oil for gasoline engines only is what it says, right? But you would just put some oil in here. This is a tight squeeze, so you're going to want a good funnel to be able to put your oil in there, and add the oil and double check it through the dipstick to make sure, and do your best not to add too much, because you can cause other engine problems if you put too much oil, being you mess up the catalytic converter and all that stuff. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.